So this is where we need our selfie stick, right? So what's been the most fun for you in Kyoto, Cindy, besides the Trikizoku and besides the amazing ramen?
I love the walking. It's our first time here in the spring, so just like the weather and everything is so beautiful. Kids are about we're catching epic golden hour right now, so
Yeah.
it's just quite romantic.
And I think it's been so fun too for us to play with this GoPro Fusion 360 camera because it allows us to have more fun, like dancing to Janelle Monáe and also going to different restaurants. And it's nice too because it allows you to better appreciate the moments and actually be more present, which is actually funny.
And it's also been a way for us to connect with our family and friends, because the way that the camera works is it makes the viewer more like a user and feels really like here with us. So it's a nice way for us to connect with our loved ones at home.
Yeah, and I think the cool thing too is that like it's super empowering as a viewer too, because you're able to control the phone on the YouTube app and look around the user.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's just crazy empowering, and it's just so fun too because it makes the viewing experience a lot more active and fun. Ooh, beautiful light. Okay, see you guys later.